I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. I thought it might be helpful to show you how to service the Generac generator. This one is a 22 kW model. Let's dive in. Lift that up.
Now lift up the lid and take off the front panel. Let the engine run in manual mode for about 2 minutes to warm up the oil. Then turn off the engine and let it cool for a little bit. Next, you want to turn off the rocker switch. Then you want to kill the breaker that supplies the house. Open up the fill cap to allow the oil to drain freely.
We're going to loosen this, take that off.
Remove the oil drain cap and allow it to drain into a reservoir or oil pan.
Write the date on your filter when you do the change. Tighten that up, put that back in position so we're not draining the fresh oil.
And return the oil drain line.
So there's going to be some oil that comes out of there too. Oh no, that's how we're going to catch it right there.
Now we're going to remove the oil filter. You may need a wrench for this, depending on how tight it is. Now apply a thin layer of oil to the new oil filter gap. Mark the current date with a Sharpie on the new filter.
24.
Now install the new filter, but do not over tighten it. Once it's snug, I like to give it an 1/8 to a 1/4 turn. You do not want to crush the gasket. Now begin refilling the oil.
Oh yeah.
Check the oil while filling. Do not overfill it.
Gosh, I didn't mean to get.
You don't want to overfill. This took 1.5 quarts and we're showing us full. Get the debris off the cap.
You want to figure out how to?
Return the oil fill cap. Next, remove the air filter cover and the air filter.
Oh, that will work, but you got a new one, right? Ooh, he even wrote run hours on there. What's today's date?
Mark the current date on the new air filter. Install the new air filter and return the cover.
There's a little tab on the back that it has to get under before it snaps on the other side. Now we are. Thought this might be a good helpful.
Here's a handy way that I've found to get the right size socket. Next, remove the spark plug lead and the spark plug.
Oh!
Oh boy.
Man down. Should have
Look at that.
change it.
Nothing there. Make sure you hand start it because you want to make sure that you're not cross-threading it. Then, once we get it hand started, we can tighten it down. And I like to get my spark plugs just 1/8 of a turn past hand tight. There it is.
The spark plug on the back side of the engine was a bear to get out.
There it goes. Maven R. Johnson, where'd you pull up that name? Am I gonna have to pay Phil Collins for the royalties of that intro?
No, that was me.
Just snug that up.
Kevin just thinks it could be done in 20 minutes.
Remember to return the spark plug leads and check them for tightness. Apply a decal with the date of the service.
Make yourself useful. So we changed out the oil, changed the oil filter, changed out the air filter, and replaced both spark plugs in just under 30 minutes. Okay, an hour. All right, in just under an hour. Now we're ready to fire this up. Remember we killed our breaker? And we killed off this rocker switch.
For more tips like this, click the image on your screen now.
When we're done, put it back on auto,
Yep.
and it'll cut on when the power is off.